I do wish you guys could hear what I could hear, but the engine's so loud it makes the camera speaker distort and sound funny no matter where I put it. Sorry about that.
Big block Olds, 9.5 to 1 compression range where I can really whack it with some nitrous. Yeah, I got a little switch wired under the dash. It helps me out bringing the kit. I'm sure you guys all know what I'm talking about on that, ladies. It's, you know, keeps you from disintegrating motor and parts and all sorts of stuff having a progression switch. So that's a plus. And the button in there will discontinue the progression switch completely and kill the nitrous, but you could still be fully floored on the vehicle. That's the reason for the button, really, in the car. So I really appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out my videos in the cars. I hope you guys like this one. I got it up here in the paint shop area right now, and I just wanted to check over it because it's been setting for a year, and go through the whole thing and tune it up and get it running. So enjoy, you guys.